What's up, guys? It's your boy Ricky Ross, back with another video. Thank you so much, everybody out there watching my video. I truly appreciate it. Please share, like, and keep watching so we can keep growing the channel. I truly appreciate it. For those of you out there who don't know who I am, I go by Ricky Ross, Amazon Germany seller. I've been doing this for quite some time. If you're interested in my mentorship, my email will be in the link down below. Awesome. This is a quick tutorial on how to create a folder on a PC desktop or on a PC period. I know there's a lot of people who are looking to start online-based businesses, simply don't know simple basic computer skills. So I will be dropping some quick tutorials on simple basic computer skills, and this is a quick easy video. Just watch it. It takes about maybe 30 seconds and you'll learn how to create a new folder. All right, guys.
5 steps on how to create a folder on a Windows computer. It's simple and only takes a few seconds. Let's begin. Step 1. First, navigate to the desktop or the location where you want the folder. Step 2. Next, right-click on an empty space. A menu will appear. Step 3. Hover over the New option. From the extended menu, click Folder. Step 4. A new folder will be created with the default name New Folder. It's highlighted so you can type a new name immediately. Step 5. Press Enter and you're done.
Thank you once again for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like the video, like it, share it to anybody out there who needs it. And once again, my email will be in the description down below. If you're interested in my mentorship, simply write to me. All right, guys. Thank you. And I'm out.